Hey everyone, Mr. Sujano here. In today's video, we are going to take a look at the two most popular fight stick layouts, Vewlix and Noir, and I'll tell you which one is the best. Let's get started. So this video shouldn't take too long to explain. I've been asked this question. I actually couldn't tell you how many times I've been asked this question over the last few years for people who want to know the difference between a Vewlix and a Noir layout. I guess if you're French, that would be Noir. And if you're unaware of either of those terms, it is in direct relation to how the buttons are placed on a fight stick. So this first layout is the Vewlix layout. It is characterized by two buttons placed slightly lower than the other 6 or the other 4, depending on how many buttons you have on your fight stick. This layout is what most people are accustomed to. If you do take a look at your fight stick, if you own a fight stick, chances are it's probably going to be in the Vewlix layout. And this layout is well suited for 6 to 8 button type of games. Now, one of the big criticisms of the Vewlix layout is the position of the joystick in relation to the buttons. There are a lot of people who do not like how close the joystick is to the buttons, and they would prefer it slightly further away. And now we'll flip over to the Noir layout and you will immediately see the difference in button placement. For the Noir layout, the buttons are slightly shifted over to the right and are also angled differently. And if I quickly flip between the two here, you can see that the joystick remains in the exact same position. Only the buttons are different. The Noir layout gives you a little extra room for your hands by spacing out the distance between the buttons and the joystick. The Noir layout is popular in 4-button games like Tekken. So here are some examples of Vewlix and Noir layouts on modern fight sticks. First up is the Hori Rap 4 or the Real Arcade Pro 4. This stick has a Vewlix layout. This is a Mayflash F300 and it also has a Vewlix layout. The Mad Catz Tournament Edition 2 has a Vewlix layout. Most Quamba fight sticks are Vewlix. The Razer Panthera is also Vewlix. And even the Victrix Pro FS is Vewlix. There are two major fight sticks that are in the Noir layout that are on the market right now. First and foremost is the Hori Real Arcade Pro N or the Rap N. The second one is also by Hori, and that is the Hori Fighting Edge. So here's the Victrix stacked with the Hori Fighting Edge. You can see the Hori Fighting Edge has the Noir layout and the Victrix has the Vewlix layout. It's very easy to tell the difference when they're side by side. So let's say after this video you're out and about and you don't remember which layout is Vewlix and which layout is Noir. There's a really easy way to remember this. It's a silly way, but it works, and it's all in how you say the word. I used to remember it this way. So just think of it like this. Noir. You can even do the hand motion, the silly hand motion. Noir, and it's the exact same as the Noir layout. And then Vewlix. You start out low and end straight. Vewlix, and it's just like that layout there. Is it silly? Absolutely yes. Does it work? Absolutely yes. So now for the million-dollar question. Which layout is the best? Is it going to be Vewlix or is it going to be Noir? There is one clear winner. It's clear as day, undisputed, and that is your own personal preference. Really, when it comes down to it, it's whatever layout you like the best, whatever layout you're most comfortable with. It doesn't matter what someone tells you. At the end of the day, you're the one using it. You're the one pressing those buttons. So if it's comfortable for you and you're happy with it, that's all that matters. But anyways, that's all I've got for today. Let me know in the comments below what button layout you use. Is it Vewlix? Is it Noir? Is it something else? If I had to guess, I'm going to guess and I'm going to predict that most of the comments are going to be from Vewlix users because that's what's in most major fight sticks. If you liked the video, leave a like. If you didn't like the video, leave a like. Hit that subscribe button. Check out my other videos. Thank you, everyone. Take care.